the ancestor of air, the ancestors of air, a ancestor of air, the ancestor of earth, the ancestors of earth, a ancestor of earth, the ancestor of fire, the ancestors of fire, a ancestor of fire, the ancestor of gem, the ancestors of gem, a ancestor of gem, the ancestor of ice, the ancestors of ice, a ancestor of ice, the ancestor of lightning, the ancestors of lightning, a ancestor of lightning, the ancestor of metal, the ancestors of metal, a ancestor of metal, the ancestor of thunder, the ancestors of thunder, a ancestor of thunder, the ancestor of water, the ancestors of water, a ancestor of water, the ancestor of wood, the ancestors of wood, a ancestor of wood, the ancestor of light, the ancestors of light, a ancestor of light, the ancestor of dark, the ancestors of dark, a ancestor of dark, the ancestor of anointing, the ancestors of anointing, a ancestor of anointing, the ancestor of unanointing, the ancestors of unanointing, a ancestor of unanointing, the ancestor of blessing, the ancestors of blessing, a ancestor of blessing, the ancestor of cursing, the ancestors of cursing, a ancestor of cursing, the ancestor of predestiny, the ancestors of predestiny, a ancestor of predestiny, the ancestor of destiny, the ancestors of destiny, a ancestor of destiny, the ancestor of faith, the ancestors of faith, a ancestor of faith, the ancestor of fear, the ancestors of fear, a ancestor of fear, the ancestor of archangels, the ancestors of archangels, a ancestor of archangels, the ancestor of archdemons, the ancestors of archdemons, a ancestor of archdemons,